eléyìí tí Jákàndé Tinubu and co tí wọ́n mú bá ìlú Èkó. Tí àwọn Igbo tá bá wá sọ̀rọ̀ ní wípé àwọn làwọn tún ìlú Èkó ṣe, irọ́ pátápátá gbà tó jìnnà sóòótọ́ ni. Èkó ló tún wọn ṣe. Èkó ló fẹ̀ṣì wọn lówó tí wọ́n ná. Èkó ló provide fún wọn, kì í ṣe àwọn ni wọ́n fún wọn ní kankan tí wọ́n contribute sí Èkó. Èkó ló tún contribute 100% to the life of those who are living there. Èkó is the one who contributed to the life of those Igbos who are living in Lagos. The Igbos are not beautifying Lagos. Which area in the Lagos that Igbos are beautified? Which area in the Lagos that Igbo are developed? They can easily buy their land, build a big mansion, but Lagos has been Lagos because they see the money they use, they see it in Lagos. Owó tí wọ́n ná yìí, they didn't come from their own state, maybe from Anambra, from Oyigbo, from Port Harcourt, come with the huge amount of the money and invest in Lagos. No. They came to Lagos with empty-handed, with ordinary slippers. If Igbo are telling you today that, no, we are the one who developed Lagos State, please cut this page. Igbo are not the one who developed Lagos State. Lagos State developed Igbo. Lagos State developed Hausa. Lagos State bring life. Lagos State bring meaningful to Igbo's life. None of them, either from Igbo, either Hausa, either Ipere, none of them contributed to development of Lagos State. Lagos State contributed massively to their life, to become a better person in their life. Tell me, which among of Igbo who came from Anambra, from Warri, from Onitsha, with amount of 1 million naira in his account, that I'm going to Lagos with 1 million naira to invest in Lagos? No. None of them. So when the Igbos are telling you that they are contributed to the development of Lagos, tell them that they are very bullshit, they are idiots, they are nonsense. They didn't contribute anything to the development of Lagos. Lagos contributed to their life. They came to the Lagos with ordinary slippers, join motor from Owerri to Anambra, which is called Sole. Sole, they would join from Owerri to Anambra, from Anambra to Lokoja, from Lokoja to Onitsha, from Onitsha to Lagos. Come with empty-handed as a boy, come with slave for their master. Tell me today, who among Igbo that today they are living in a big mansion in Lagos came to Lagos with that weight? They can't. Igbo are not stupid. None of them. They came to the Lagos with ordinary slippers, and they just took cloth. And the Lagos State, after they drink Lagos State water, after they take Lagos State breeze, Lagos State impact into their life. That is why their life is meaningful. If it is true that they contributed massively to the development of Lagos, why they can't go back to their state and do that? Why they refuse to go back to their state if truly what they are saying it is true? So as of today, you as a Yoruba man, thinking very well that Igbo are not contributed to the Lagos. They came to Lagos with one cloth, one slipper. And then today, they can proud of buying a car. They can proud of what? Of buying many shirts. They can proud of buy goosey. They can proud of buy land in Lagos. They can proud of build house in Lagos. Because they have worked in Lagos, and the Lagos State provide avenue for them to become rich, to become wealth, to be meaningful to their family. So, if today Lagos is now the city that Igbo are claiming that they wanted to take over from Yoruba, it is a big lie. this thing can only lead to war, ethnic war. And then they will leave the Lagos whether they like it or not, without even wait a minute or a second. They will leave completely. It is time that we reduce the population who are coming to Lagos. It is time that we have those who will go back to their country, go back to their state. They are doing it before. They have to go back to their state. They have to go back to where they are coming from. They have to go back. Let them go and develop their state. If it is truly, they say they are the one who developed Lagos, then we are telling them today, thank you, Igbo. Go back to your state and develop your state, as you used to claim that you developed Lagos, which is clear that you are not one who developed Lagos. Lagos is already developed before you came, and then you met that Lagos, and then you invest. Even though, where do you get the money that you invested? You get that money in Lagos. So how come the Igbo said, we invested in Lagos, we contributed to the development of Lagos State? No, you are not contributing anything. We give you land free. The land that you are using in Alaba market, it was free of charge. That can they gave it to you. And also, the land that you are using in Ikechu market, it was free of charge, given by Awolowo. So Igbo people should stop saying nonsense. It is time that before we just think that these people are friendly, and then but we can see it clearly now, aim and objective.